Hello friends, this is Ganesh and hope you all doing great. And today we're going to see a small concept in a smart form called barcode. So everybody knows about barcode because now the day-to-day life we have to just come across the barcode of any product, right? So there is a barcode. Behind the barcode there should be a value. It should be read probably a PO number or a material number, quantity of the particular product, whatever it is. Okay, so the idea of the barcode is it could hold a value in behind the scenes. It could hold a value of any product. It could be anything. It could be a number, value, whatever it is. Okay, or just a name of the product. So now we are going to see how we are going to implement a barcode in a smartphone. It's very simple. Step one, you have to design a barcode. It could be existing design, you can be able to use it excuse me, or you have to create your custom barcode design. So that is step one. Once the design is ready, you have to map the design to the particular document number, depends on your requirement. So once it is mapped, that's it. So everything is ready, and whenever there is a option, and whenever they are going to scan the barcode, automatically it reads whatever value we mapped it. Example is a PO number. Whenever they scan the barcode, the PO number whatever we mapped, that is going to be read. Probably maybe not this session. Whenever I get a chance, I will show you so how we are reading the barcode using a hand tool, scanner hand tool, and how it's read the value and displayed in the notepad. So definitely I will show you in a short video on that one. Okay, so today we're going to see how to design a barcode, how to map it to a particular PO number or whatever it is. Let's get into the slide. So first, barcode, it's a standard format or design of a barcode. It might mapped with lot number or PO number, material number, quantity of a field, whatever it is. Okay, so we need to map. Sometimes what happens, we have to concatenate a value and map it. Yeah, that is also possible. So it's very simple. It's just going to hold a value from a data medium. So data medium could be a variable or a field of a work area, whatever it is. Okay, so if you want to concatenate value, yes, that is also possible. Excuse me. So now, what and all we need to design and map a barcode to a particular value. So we need a character format. Again, we are going to see the smart styles. So still, I didn't cover the smart styles completely. At least you have an idea about smart styles transaction, where we are going to design a paragraph, excuse me, paragraph and character format, and we are going to use it in our smart forms. Okay. So for that we need one character format to map the barcode, to create the barcode. So that is the first step. Once it is created, how to assign to a variable or a data medium, you have to use a format like this. It's an open and close tag, and you have to use what is the name of the character format and which data medium you want to map it to the barcode. It could be a variable or a field in a work area, and you have to close the tag. So this is a way we have to map the value to the barcode. Okay, so these are two steps we have to do, and the first one, it depends. Okay, maybe one more step I can say, if you want to design your own barcode. So this one's character format, if I use the existing one, I don't want to use it. If it is not an existing one, maybe one more step we have to do it. Okay, so that is actually coming under SE37 transaction, where you're able to design your own barcode. Okay, so there are two different formats available, new and old format. Probably whenever there is a recent design, normally we go with the new format, but still you have an option to go with new and old barcode formats also. So here you have to be able to design it. So this is one additional step if you go with the own design. So once it is done, then you have to follow the smart styles, create a character format and map your barcode whatever you design, and then use the same character format in your smart forms. So these are the steps where you are able to create and map your barcode to a particular data medium. Okay, and that's it. Let's get into the system. So this is my system, and just I create a smart form, nothing inside. By default you have a one page and one main window. So let me have a text over here. Okay. So maybe I can have a variable here. So global variable, let's say VB sales type VBL. Okay. And initialization, let me fill the value, select single Biblon into GV sales from VBAK. Okay, just sales order number is going to be hold in this data medium, just a variable. Okay, all good. And now let me go to smart styles. So first I'm going to create a barcode from the existing formats, okay? And then just play around, go with the different formats. It's not barcode, whatever we have seen so far, we have a lot of different types of barcodes are available. So CGI, barcodes, create, and character format, right click, create node, B1. So here, so once comes to the character format, there is a standard settings, and here you have, these are normal superscript subscript. We'll see it in detail in a different video. And here the place where you are able to design the barcode. Okay, so barcode. Here, excuse me, you have the options. So these are the standard barcodes, which barcodes design, which got created from SAP side. You have an option to create your own barcode with start with Z or Y, and EUFNR, ABTNR, and these are some formats. We can just make use of it, just play around, do it. And mostly we use this as a very standard format, like C128A or the sub format 000100120B and everything. So let me go with a very common format. It's called code 128 auto switch. What is the height, width, and everything over here. If it is a custom, you can design what kind of width and height is required for your own barcode. Okay, so that's it. I'm not going to use much in smart styles. Save it. And as a smart style, you have to create one default paragraph format because that is a mandatory field here. So for that reason, I'm creating a paragraph format. This is not relevant to our barcode. Okay, so default paragraph. So I didn't do anything over here. Nothing. Save and go to header data. Standard paragraph is P1. That's it. Activate it. So we are good. So now go to your Smartforms, and so here, right? So go to here or go to the text level, very down level, and you can make use of your smart style. Okay, does not exist. What's the name I have given? Barcodes. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm good. So now get into the text. And my data medium is a variable gv underscore sales. So now I want to display that inside the barcode. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give the character format, character format is b1, and the data medium where you want to display the values, gv sales, and close it. It's auto close. If you not automatically, just close it. Okay, just come back. Okay, act toward it and execute it. So I don't have any import parameter. It's very simple smart form. I want to show you only the barcode, how is display. Okay, and F8 print preview. So here it is. Okay, so whatever the barcode you are displaying, and this is a standard one with an height. So if you have a tool to read the barcode, so what you can do is you can read this barcode automatically. Once you read, the value of the sales order is going to be read and keep it about. If it is a notepad, it will be displayed in the notepad. So this is the very simple way to display a barcode with the value. Okay. Okay, so you can add some text, depends on your need. So I can say sales order number for the easy reference. So here, sales order. Okay, so now what you're going to see, we are going to see us. I'm going to use, or I'm going to create. Okay, before that, let me show you. If I change this to 00, okay, so what will happen? Activated. Then, excuse me, activate your smartphone and execute it. Execute. So like this. Okay, so I changed the format of the barcode. So depends on your need, you can do it, and depends on your requirement, you can create it if really it is required. Otherwise, just keep using the standard format and proceed further. So if you want to use, if you want to create a new barcode, so what I have to do is go to SE73. It's a very simple step, and so create just your own barcode design, and you can create your own barcodes. So you can go with system barcodes or printer barcodes. So I'm going with system barcodes, and I had to click change. So these are the system barcodes. Either you can use it here. You have a very detailed information about a barcode. So AUFNR it's a standard one, and description is not in English. And what are the minimum and maximum characters? What is the width, height, and everything. Okay, so these are the barcodes where you can able to understand what kind of barcodes you have two different definitions over here. So these are new barcodes, new level barcodes, I can say. And the wherever there is a yellow, and whatever it's an old one, I believe. So I'm not sure whether I'm giving a wrong one. No, yeah, these are new, whatever is in yellow, and whatever is not in yellow, these are in normal, it's an old format. Okay, so either you can make use of it or copy this and create a new one, or you can create your own barcodes. So to create it, just click create, and that will ask what kind of technology you want to use. Either you need an old or new. We'll try both. So old one, what is the barcode you have to give? I can say Z sales. So meaning sales order barcode type, whatever the type you want to choose. So these are the common types you have. Preferably or commonly we use the C128 we used. So I'll just go with the same. And what is the minimum character of this barcode? So I can say at least 2, and maximum I can say 10. Barcode width, so whatever width you want. Normally what we use is 50 and 20, I believe. So let's see, 140. So let's see the output how it goes, and continue. Okay. um Observe name range AX for Z or Y customer. Yes, this is actually a customed one because I start with Z. And yeah, this is going to be saved in a transport request. So this is not coming under save in a local object. You have to use a transport request for this. So continue. uh, Continue. So mine is done. Then it should available in my smart style. Z sales should be available in my smart styles. So go here and just change. Should be no. Okay, some refresh happens. Smart styles, change character format, and Z sales. It's done. Act order. So now see how it just reflect in my smartphone. Go back, go back, go back. Execute it again. There is no change in the Smartforms because I didn't change anything. It just mapped already, so it should display the design, new design of the barcode in the output of my smartphone. Execute and print preview. Oh no, yeah. The size is this much, so that is the reason. Because I width I give 100 and it's 20 or 40 is a height. So height probably fine, but width is not good. So let me change the width to 30. Let's see how it goes. And execute. The same way you can create a barcode with a new technology and map it. Seems to be okay, but still not okay because it's too much, so we have to decrease it. So just play around and make sure how it should look like based on your own need. Okay, so same thing, I'm going to create a barcode with a new technology. So go here, create it, new barcode name Z sales 1, sales order, barcode. Continue. So what type of format? A little changed compared to old and new. So code 28, code 93. So let me go with code 93 and continue. Normal, rotated, inverted, bottom up, different type of alignment you might get in the new way of creating a barcode. So I'll just go with bottom up. Let's see how it displays. I didn't try that. And narrow mode width, let it be. I'm not changing anything here. Continue. Yes. Transport request. Continue. So it should be listed here, Z sales 1. Yes. So now go to my smart styles. It should, okay, let me go out and come. Kind of a refresh. Change character format. Then it should, yes, Z sales 1. Act toward it. I'm not sure how it's displayed in my Smartforms. Let's see. I used bottom up, activate, sorry, it's activate already. Execute, 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 print preview, like this. So bottom up barcodes are used. So whenever there is a scan happen, automatically the value behind this barcode, it could be a normal value or a concatenate value, depends on your requirement. That will read through a tool, barcode reader tool, and it might used depends on their business need. Okay, so this is a way we can able to have a barcode in your smartphones. So it's very simple. Just play around it, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for your time and see you in the next video. Bye.